Oh my god.
I just spilled my bag.
Pass auf, hinten bei dir.
Das ist eine Frau.
Ist das groß? Das ist
Hey! Right. Oh, so it must have been TK Maxx then, isn't it?
die Handyshop für Handys.
My God.
I'll go with you. This is 17 here. I'll have us in there when we get to the station.